Alright guys, got a CSX westbound coming. This one could be I-157. Coke! Coke train! B-157! B-157! Alright guys, that was CSX. B-157. Max, that was B-157.
Yep.
That was CSX, B-157. They came from Connellsville, Pennsylvania, and it's going somewhere in Indiana, but I'm not sure. I'll look it up when I get home, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what? What did you say?
That's a Coke train.
That's a Coke train?
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
Not cool, Coke. Like,
Oh yeah, Coke.
have some Diet Coke. Just kidding.
Yeah.
It's a joke.
Yeah.
A joke for Coke. Yeah.
Alright guys, that was a Coke train guys, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.
Cool, you got to see Herzog.
There was no Herzog on that. Bye, and that's all for now.
I just remember you used to see